guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy and this is Wendy with the Eye. Today is a quickie. It's an unboxing. I got a pair of shoes from Zara. Love Zara. Haven't shopped there in a while, but when I saw these shoes, I had to have them. I don't really need another pair of green, lime green, neon green shoe, but I thought these were so cool. They are called the rubberized, what are they called? The rubberized studded mule, I think is what it's called. I'm actually going to go back and see if they have this in another color because they are so cool to me and they are super comfortable and I just kind of love them. I'm kind of infatuated with them. And look at the price, under 60 bucks. You cannot beat that. So head on over to Zara if you like these shoes and get them. They are definitely true to size. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.